Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. I don't know about you, but I love a cozy room, especially one where I spend time with family and friends. While creating a cozy environment sounds relatively easy, there are things that can prevent your space from being cozy, and I'd like to call them cozy crushers. Today I have 7 cozy crushers and how to soften them up. Creating a cozy living room is about fostering a space where you can unwind and feel sheltered from the outside world. Regardless of size or style, adding key elements like comfortable seating, personal touches, and ambient lighting can transform a space into a cozy retreat. And the beauty is, it doesn't necessarily require a large budget, just a touch of personal warmth and care. So let's explore cozy living room ideas tailored to every season, budget, and style for inspiration on creating your own cozy sanctuary. We all know that a fireplace is a focal point of a space, and there is nothing cozier than a fireplace. However, avoid using your fireplace mantle as a catch-all for trinkets, which can look too busy. Instead, place some carefully edited keepsakes or a couple of large vessels that proportionally fit the space, and you can transform the surround to provide softness to a modern living room. When aiming for a cozy living room, consider adding a pop of color to the walls to infuse character, especially in family rooms. However, you want to avoid harsh or overly bright colors as they can be jarring and overstimulating. Opt for bold yet earthy tones like deep blues, dark olive greens, or rusty reds, which can enhance the space without overwhelming it. You can incorporate these colors on accent walls, bookcases, moldings, trims, doors, even the ceiling for added drama. Next, you'll want to avoid putting all of the furniture against the walls and in corners. Instead, create a central gathering area along with at least one intimate space. For a conversation zone, consider placing 2 similar-sized sofas facing each other, or opt for an L or U-shaped sectional with a coffee table in the center. Add club chairs across from the seating arrangement for a balanced setup, where the table can serve snacks, games, puzzles, and cocktails. Do you have a mostly gray space? This can often feel harsh and cold. By adding a faux fur throw, you will immediately add warmth and a cozy vibe to your living room. During warmer weather, a chunky knit throw adds cozy, yet is still breezy. And this also works for a modern or contemporary space. You will want to avoid recessed downlighting and cant lights, which are harsh and may not be conducive to conversation or relaxation. Instead, consider using dimmer switches to control bright lights or adding table lamps, decorative fixtures, or chandeliers with a soft, warmer glow. Avoid too many hard, shiny surfaces in your living room, as they can be harsh and cold. Creating a cozy living room means making sure that there are warm layers, both visually and physically. Avoid cluttering a side table or console with too many family photos, as this often looks a bit too chaotic. Organizing framed photos into a curated photo gallery wall is a stylish way to showcase your family's story without cluttering the living room. Mix current and vintage pictures, as this provides a personal touch, which in turn creates a cozy and welcoming environment for guests. Don't overdo it with too many tchotchkes, as they create an uncluttered environment, which is also something that you want to avoid. And finally, you can still have a high-end designer space and still be cozy. Just take a look at these beautiful living rooms. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed.